Hi, Brandie. Thank you so much for your poems this week. Um, you ask about if your attempt seems like poems at all. Yeah, I absolutely think that these are poems, that these read as poems, that these are poems. I will say this first one, um, in terms of the prompt, the spy prompt. I don't think this fulfills the assignment. At least it doesn't clearly fill the assignment. There's no information here for me about where were you for half an hour while you were recording things that people said, and then where are those quotes in the poem, right? Um, so if I'll see what I can do is the one quote that you're including in the poem, I'm sort of like, well, this is sort of a glance at a moment and doesn't really capture half an hour of observing a public place, which is really what the assignment was. So my suggestion would be to go and reread that assignment and attempt it. Um, the second one, which is I know one that you want additional feedback on, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this and then I'm going to read your edit after you got feedback so that I could give you feedback on the most recent piece, which is, I think, what you were really looking for when you sent me that email. So if you would go ahead and send it to me in a single document so that I have it to review there over email, I will send you more feedback. Thank you so much. Have a good day.